Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel in Infinite Craft. This game lets you combine simple elements to create almost anything imaginable. We will start with the 4 basic elements: earth, fire, water, and wind. By carefully following a series of combinations, you will progressively unlock more complex items, eventually leading you to the powerful Marvel element. It's a fun journey of discovery, so let's dive in and begin crafting. Our journey begins by creating some geographical features and a character. First, combine 2 water elements to make a lake and 2 fire elements to form a volcano. Next, merge the lake and volcano to discover an island. From there, add water to your island to craft a ship, and earth to your island to expand it into a continent. Finally, mix lake with ship to get pirate, and lake with continent to form America. With America and pirate in hand, we can now assemble our first heroes. Combine pirate with America to create the legendary Captain America. This is a significant step towards our goal. Next, take your newly crafted Captain America and combine him with Earth to discover the mighty Thor. Having both Captain America and Thor ready is essential, as they are the key ingredients for our final, powerful combinations. We are now at the final stage of crafting Marvel. First, combine Captain America with Thor to assemble the powerful team known as the Avengers. This brings us very close to our ultimate goal. For the grand finale, take Captain America once more and merge him with the Avengers. This final combination will successfully yield Marvel, completing your quest. Now you can explore new possibilities with this exciting new element.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.